Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this half granny square and how to join all the squares together to become this top. Let me show you how to make this triangle first. As usual, let's start with magic circle. Now we insert the hook to the magic circle, make one single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to make 4 double crochet in the magic circle. 1, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet back to magic circle, chain 3, make another 4 double crochet in the magic circle, 4, and chain 3, and 1 single crochet back to magic circle. Pull the yarn tight. Now make 1 single crochet to the chain 3 area, chain 2, make another single crochet to the first stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 3. Now we are going to make 3 double crochet bobble, 1 half finished double crochet, 2 half finished double crochet in the following stitch, 3 half finished double crochet from the following stitch, pull the yarn over all the loops and chain 3. Single crochet from the chain 3 area, chain 2, and another single crochet from the chain area, chain 3. So we're gonna make half finished 3 double crochet bobble, 1 half finished double crochet, 2, 3, yarn over all the loops, chain 3. Now 1 single crochet from the last stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet to the chain 3 area, chain 1, cut the yarn. Round 2 we change the color. Insert the hook to chain 2 area, make 1 single crochet. Now we're gonna make double crochet. Insert the hook from the middle and push the hook out between second and third stitch. Make a double crochet, pull the yarn a bit longer. This double crochet is a little bit longer than normal. Chain 4 and snip stitch on top of the bobble. Chain 4 again. Now I show you here we have a Y shape. Insert the hook from the middle and push out the hook from the right side of the Y shape. Make a double crochet, chain 2, and make another double crochet from the left side of the Y shape. Make a double crochet. Chain 4, snip stitch to the top of the bobble again, chain 4, in between second and third stitch from left side, insert the hook to the middle, push the hook out between second and third stitch, make a double crochet, and 1 single crochet to the last stitch, 2 single crochet from the chain area, 1 single crochet to the stitch, 2 single crochet from the chain area, snip stitch to join around, chain 1, make 1 double crochet from the first stitch, 1 single crochet first, turn the hook, pull the yarn back, pull the yarn through 2 loops, make 4 single crochet in the same stitch, which is that double crochet stitch, 4, 2 single crochet from the chain area and 2 single crochet from the following chain area. From the following chain area, we crochet 4 double crochet first. 1, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, another 4 double crochet from the same chain area, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet from the following chain space, and 2 single crochet from the next chain space, and make 3 double crochet, or 4 double crochet from the double crochet stitch, and make 1 double crochet from the last stitch. So chain 1 and crochet 2 single crochet from the double crochet, 1 crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So just simply crochet single crochet in every stitch, and make 2 single crochet from the double crochet. Back to the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, and make a double crochet for each stitch. So just crochet double crochet in every stitch until in the corner. Here we come to the corner, we make 2 double crochet first, and chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same chain space, and then crochet double crochet in each stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is how you make this triangle shape. I'm using white colors to join so you can see very clear for every steps. Start from the chain in the corner, do a snip stitch, and go other way to do the snip stitch on the chain as well. Now insert the hook into the chain area and go to other side, pull the yarn over, snip stitch all on the way. After this, you only snip stitch on the back loop. So insert the hook on the back loop, insert the hook to the other side, pull the yarn over, 3 loops all together. Insert the hook for one side, insert the hook to the other side, pull the yarn over, 3 loops at the same time. And we're just simply repeating snip stitch. So the rest of the snip stitch I'm just going to fast forward because it's just repeating snip stitch. I did put lots of work in this tutorial. Can I have your support? Simply just like and subscribe if you haven't, so I can make more free tutorials in the future. Thank you. If you have any questions in the process, leave a comment and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now we almost finished the joining. Comes to the end of the corner, and then now we do chain area. The reason why I do extra chain area space is to make sure it's not too tight. Make sure the square is still flat. Look at the join here. Yellow part is in the straps. I will show you how to crochet straps later. The top layout as join shows. Use the slip stitch to join granny squares together. The triangle is on the back of this top. A1 join to B1 and A2 join to B2. This is size S. Everyone's size will be different, so if this is too big for you, then you can just get rid of this triangle. Simply join A1 to A2. If you want a bigger size, get rid of the triangle and add as many granny square as you want between A1 and A2. Following, I'm going to show you how to crochet straps. It's the straps tutorial from other projects. The crochet pattern is the same. 3mm hook. Insert the hook to the chain area in the corner. Chain 3. Make a half double crochet. Yarn over, pull the yarn over 2 loops. Pull the yarn over 3 loops. Make a half finished double crochet. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn over 2 loops. Yarn over 2 loops. Make another half finished double crochet. Pull the yarn over 4 loops at the same time. Chain 3. Turn over. Insert the hook to the middle. Make half finished double crochet. So just another half finished double crochet. Pull the yarn over 3 loops. Make another half finished double crochet. Second, third. Pull the yarn over 4 loops at the same time. Chain 3. Turn over. So we're just repeating this until the length you want. Same again, everybody has different size, so you measure it yourself until you get to the length that you want, and use single crochet to join to the back of the dress. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.